Morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Sheila El Gabuka. I live in Manila, Philippines. I am 33 years old. I have two sons. My work experience is I'm working before in Saudi Arabia in 3 years. I work there to taking care of the three children and also to cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, and simple cooking. I have a co-worker there and we taking care also together the house and the kids. And now I want to apply in Hong Kong to have more experience also and to prove myself that I can do my all my best for my madam and sir, and I can also take in care the kids even if they have kids there, and I can also want to learn how to cook your tradition food, and I hope you forgive me a chance to part of your family, and I promise to do everything and I can do without permission. I can cleaning all even you are not telling to me, and I hope you give me a chance, and I promise that I will do my job, and I love your children's like my children's. Thank you.